Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear second year students, both the general and elementary section. In this video, we'll continue our talk about the SMARTboard. Last time, I gave you an introduction about the SMARTboard, its definition, its different names, components of the main system, projector, computer, and the whiteboard. How to get started, with it. In this video, we will talk about the tools of the SMARTboard, as I told you in the last time. The tools of the SMARTboard are called the floating tools, and they call it because the tool bar suited adawat, we can move it to the left or to the right of the screen. These are the floating tools. Quickly accessed pens, so the floating tools are the pen, the highlighters, the eraser, and other frequently used tools like taking the screen captures, screenshots. I mean, undo, redo an action, or you interact by whiteboard and customize the floating tool bar. I mean, to the right to the left, and we can customize it. As you see here, guys, there are the tools available in the SMARTboard, and the toolbar, the one on the left, this is a floating tool, and when you customize it, you can see all the tools available in the SMARTboard, like the pen, the eraser, the notebook, the screen capture toolbar, the print screen, the grid pen, a line recorder, etc. In this video, we will discuss only two of the tools found in the SMARTboard. Yes, the first tool in the floating tools is called the notebook, and this is the icon for it. What does it do? It can save notes written on your interactive whiteboard or at your computer as a series of pages. Let's watch together this video to know how can we use the notebook.
On student achievement comes from what a teacher enables in their classroom. That's why at SMART, we continue to innovate our tools and our features to make sure we accelerate those practices. SMART Notebook is optimized for use on an interactive display. Teachers love the fact that it has all the different digital tools that they would normally piece together, now packed into one place. With 3D tools, you have access to hundreds of thousands of 3D content you can pull right into notebook software. The different handles allow students and teachers to manipulate that 3D content, making for a really engaging interactive experience. With the new text pen, you no longer have to run to your keyboard to insert text into Notebook. You simply select the text pen, write your words, and it automatically converts it into text. Inserting words is really easy too. If you need to separate words or remove words, or if you want to highlight words or change their color, Teachers can also insert a GeoGebra widget and can interact with it naturally. Math and science teachers love the equation editor. Simply handwrite your equations. And you can even drag it into GeoGebra and have it autographed for you. With the touch of one button, teachers can bring in images from their document camera and immediately begin interacting with them inside of notebook software. The Lesson Activity Builder inside of Smart Notebook software allows a teacher to create fun, interactive, engaging activities that leverage the teacher's content. Now, there's a variety of different types of activities that a teacher has to choose from, such as sorting, or ranking, there's flip cards, and even fill in the blank. Shout It Out allows a teacher to leverage student devices in the classroom. Now, insert the Shout It Out activity, and you'll notice students easily connect by going to a website and typing in the unique ID. Once connected, students use their devices to either take a picture or insert text and send it directly to notebook software. Once inserted, students and teachers can manipulate the content and even make it bigger to make access to what the students have contributed. The Lesson Activity Builder allows a teacher to add game components to their activities, the timer and the buzzer. Save and close. Now, with these simple elements, I can introduce the buzzer into this activity. I can start the countdown timer, and now students will go through and start completing the activity, get immediate feedback in terms of how they're progressing, and the first person to finish hits the buzzer, it signals that they completed. Using the Response tab, a teacher can take existing content and add any type of question right inside of it. So let's say the teacher's curious to see if the students think this is a good descriptor for the image. Teacher selects instant yes or no. Students are then prompted to go to the website and type in the assessment ID. Once connected, students see an image of what was on that notebook page. Once tagged, all that data can be exported to your own data.
Second, after using the notebook in the SMARTboard and specifically in the floating tools is a keyboard. And this is icon for the keyboard. With the keyboard, you can type or edit text in any application without leaving the interactive board, and we can see together in a video how can we use the keyboard and the SMARTboard. Let's watch together.
In the Welcome Center, if you click on the Tools tab and Keyboard, and you can also access it from the System tray as well. Alrighty, so let's take a look at what this does. First of all, I'm going to click in on my notebook page just to let it know it's ready to use the keyboard, and you can simply just start typing. If you hear a little beep, that means you need to click out on your notebook page and then back onto your keyboard. See how easy that is? Automatically created a text box for me. Simple as can be. There's a space key here. If you want to do a capital, this is kind of like a shift key right here. And it makes the next thing a capital. If I accidentally make a mistake, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. This I can hit delete. And I can do that. So there's a wide variety of different things you can do with this.
So guys, we talked about the first two tools of the floating tools found in the SMARTboard system. The first one was a notebook and something like the word Microsoft, with which you can display different things and you can write it. We can write on it with your finger, and it's so interactive as you saw in the video. The second tool was a keyboard, and it's typically like the keyboard, the smartphone, or the computer. And in a coming video, we will continue talking about the tools of the SMARTboard. Thanks for your listening.